Babysitters, today we are going to be talking about cloth diapers. I'm Lydia and you are in the right spot to learn more so you can earn more, have fun, and become a better babysitter. So never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I was going to be coming across a cloth diaper or changing a cloth diaper. But I recently came across a family who's been using cloth diapers since their firstborn and they're on their fourth. And I thought they were really cool. Parents use these because they are better for the environment and they save money. They save a lot of money. The disposable diapers are, you just take them off, you roll them up and throw them away. There's a different process to changing a cloth diaper. Now, this is the pad that soaks up all the urine, and it does a pretty good job of it. But if something happens, there is also inside of here like a plasticky, like waterproof feel to it. It's not going to stop if the diaper leaks a lot, but it will catch some of it. So the lining goes inside of the diaper, and there's a little pocket in there, so it goes inside of the diaper. And it just fits in there. So now it is ready to be used by a kid. And you have all these different snaps for different size children. So we're gonna go ahead and put her in this diaper. Oh, I got it backwards. And the opening goes in the back, but you can tell that because the buttons are on the front. So you wrap it up, and all of these different buttons can make the diaper smaller or bigger to fit the kid. So you have the side buttons here that can go all the way around and snap for like newborns and stuff like that. And then also, if this is too low, like the bottom of the baby or the crotch of the baby is up here and it's sitting down here, you can also button these up to fold it upwards. So it's a very, any size baby can use the diaper, really. It's really cool. So I'm gonna button it up and show you how small it can get. So these button here, and then these can come all the way around. And the pro to these snaps is that they as the children cannot take these off very easily. But the con is that in the beginning of using snap diapers, it can be hard for your fingers to snap them together. But once they get used a little. So there we have the smallest size for this diaper, and then I will show you the largest size. So you have all these buttons, which means different sizes for different kids. Oh. And that is how large it can get. So very versatile when it comes to sizing. There is the snap one. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the Velcro one, and we'll go ahead and do that. Oh, also so this company has a one size fits all kind of pad. So as you can see, they're different sizes. This would be for a smaller baby. You get a larger one for a larger baby, but this company decided that they're going to make it for all sizes, and those are that snap again. So now we have that size, and then if you go ahead and snap it down further, you have that size. So we're going to keep it full size. We're going to go ahead and slide it in there. All right, so it's in there. So Velcro Velcro ones are just kind of like disposable diapers where it's all Velcro and you pull it up and there's Velcro pieces. The downside of having a Velcro cloth diaper is that it can irritate the child's skin if you don't put it on correctly. So you got to make sure that the Velcro's not hitting their skin when you put on the diaper. So let's say Camden here went to the bathroom. She just peed. Sticking with the environmental reason on why they chose cloth diapers, I would imagine all families would stick to the environmental theme and use baby washcloths in a cloth warmer or a wipe warmer and put some warm water in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to just start changing her like a normal diaper. We use baby washcloth wipes to wipe them clean. And then we put their new diaper on and fix them up. Now with the old diaper, you are going to have to, now you know how you put like a diaper in a diaper pail? These all go in a diaper pail as well, but the diaper pail doesn't get thrown in the trash, they take it to the laundry room. So what you're going to do is you're going to wash your hands after this, so it doesn't really matter, but you're going to have to take that pad out of the diaper, and when it's wet it'll be easier, but since it's dry I have to kind of yank it. But you'll take that the pad and the diaper, and you kind of put it together. You take it out of each other, put it together, you kind of roll it up like this, and you throw it in the diaper pail. And that goes to laundry. So with the wipe, don't forget the wipe. That all goes into the diaper pail. Now I know what you're thinking. What if Camden here pooped in her diaper instead of just peed? So it's kind of the same process, but before you take the pad out, obviously there will be poop on it. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that so what I do is that I take it off the baby. I make sure I fold it up and put it somewhere where they can't reach it and can't play with poop. Completely change her, continue changing her. I let her down and she goes play, or I lay her in her crib if she's young. And what I do is I come back to this diaper, I take it to the toilet, and I make sure that I dump all the poop into the toilet. And gloves will come in handy if they have any, or if you bring some. I would recommend using gloves. If you don't, get creative. You can take toilet paper and just kind of scoop it off or scrape it off with that. And then again, you pull this out, you put it together, fold it up, and into the pail. Some families may say, don't worry about it, just put all of it in the pail, even the poop, and we'll worry about it when we come home. Or put it out of reach of the child and we'll deal with it when you come home. But if they don't mention it, then it's on you to remove the poop from the diaper before putting it in the pail. Now remember, if you have a squirmy child, change them on the floor or somewhere where you feel comfortable and the child is safe while you're changing them. I did talk about that a little more in the how to change a diaper video on disposable diapers, so you can go check that out. But yeah, squirmy kids are never fun, and we want to make sure they're safe. So not on a couch, on the ground, not on a changing table, probably on the ground as well. Cloth diapers are really cool. I didn't realize that people were still using them, but I think they're really cool and really good for the environment. I did do a video about blowouts and squirmy kids in the how to change a diaper, disposable diapers. So you can go check out that video if you need any more information on that. Hit that subscribe button if you are looking to learn more so you can earn more and have more fun. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.